talk about smart buildings and energy infrastructure today, it's no longer just about efficiency. So it's about intelligence, it's about connection, and the way technology is reshaping how we live and work every day. Today, we will talk about how AI and software are driving the next wave of smart buildings and energy infrastructure. As we look toward 2026, smart buildings are moving beyond automation. They are becoming cognitive systems or infrastructures that can learn, adapt, and evolve. So AI is now redefining what we used to call the building automation. The new commercial projects are now increasingly adopting AI-driven software platforms that can connect HVAC, lighting, and other building systems. These platforms don't just control the equipment as before, they predict, optimize, and self-correct in the real time. So instead of relying on the fixed logic, buildings are now operate on the models that can learn from the data. And the connected hardware definitely can form this kind of foundation. According to Omdia's latest research, by the end of 2025, more than 170 million devices are connected directly to the BMS platforms globally. This is forming a expanding digital ecosystem. This is also marks a real major shift in the value from static infrastructure to the software-defined intelligence. The performance, the efficiency, and also sustainability are now shaped by the algorithms. And as the buildings becoming more digital, they began to also interact with the broader energy system. So the question is, as the buildings themselves become the energy hub, how will software shape the next frontier of the smart charging networks? Stephanie, now over to you.
Thanks, Ivy. That was a fantastic look at how AI and software are shaping the digital core of our buildings, turning them into sophisticated energy hubs. So as buildings become smart, how will AI and software shape the next frontier of smart charging network? The answer lies precisely where the building's power meets the street, the electric vehicle. The EV revolution is accelerating, and with it, global electricity demand is projected for a 26 growth of from now till 2030. So EV charging, along with other evolving demands, contributes over 3% of this growth. Unpredictable charging spikes, especially during evening peaks, threatens instability and drive up utility costs. Critically, the total charging demand will soon surpass electricity demand for all data centers combined. Plugging a car is no longer a dumb one-way transaction. The solution isn't just more chargers. It's intelligent management powered by AI. Software-defined charging platform analyzes real-time grid conditions and driver behavior, dynamically shifting charging to off-peak times. The real game changer is vehicle-to-grid, or we call it V2G technology, becoming commercial reality by 2026. Your EV is a mobile energy asset where the grid needs support. Your car can safely discharge power back. This bi-directional flow creates new revenue opportunities for vehicle owners and transforms vehicle into a citywide virtual power plant, enhancing grid resilience. AI-driven EV charging is set to become the operational standard. It's an interconnected ecosystem where a car, a charger, and smart grid communicate seamlessly. We move from simply fueling vehicle to intelligently managing decentralized energy assets. This integrated approach makes EV adoption a pillar of a more resilient, efficient, and software-defined grid. And we explore this more in our Omdia research agenda. Get in touch for more information.